Tripadvisor is the world's largest travel website. The American company provides reviews of travel-related content. It also includes interactive travel forums. Tripadvisor is deemed as a credible site for tourists to visit prior to picking a destination. Tripadvisor has plenty of information regarding Aruba for its visitors, so we have decided to dissect it today to see the appealing information provided by Tripadvisor, as well as the not so appealing. So when you do some research regarding Aruba on the Tripadvisor website, one of the first things you will see is this video titled Palm Beach. And this is what you're looking at. As you can see, the quality of the clip isn't the best, and it certainly doesn't showcase the best of the island's Palm Beach. Yet it has a strong presence for any visitor of the website who is considering to visit Aruba. Now, this does make me wonder if it's at all possible for the island's policymakers to contact the website and ask for certain things to be taken down. There's bad, and of course there's also good. Aruba Tourism Authority purposely produced a video specifically designed for Tripadvisor. The video explains why Aruba's beaches were named among the best in the Caribbean by Tripadvisor. Check this out.
Aruba is happy home to some of the most spectacular, award-winning beaches in the entire world. A stunning variety for every beach lover to explore. Two of Aruba's most popular are Palm Beach and Eagle Beach, with luxury resorts and hotels practically touching the Caribbean Sea. To the north is Arashi Beach, a quiet crystal blue gem. Malmak Beach is one of the world's most premier spots for kite surfing. On Aruba's dramatic, rugged east coast, you'll discover breathtaking, secluded surprises like Boca Prince. And on the southern tip of Aruba is Baby Beach, a protected natural cove with warm, shallow waters perfect for children and a snorkeler's paradise. Lay just one footprint on our soft sands, and you'll see why so many people return to Aruba's shores year after year.
Official videos like those are crucial on platforms such as Tripadvisor. It allows potential tourists to see what the island has to offer. The clip posted by the family was made with good intentions. I'm talking about the one from before, but it doesn't highlight the best of Aruba. Now, besides for beautiful beaches, various groups on the island are organizing different events to bring awareness to the fact that the island is much more than that. Electric Festival, for example, is a tremendous music event that can captivate the younger generation. The Electric Festival is a 5-day festival in September where some of the world's biggest DJs will be performing at this year's edition. The genre of music ranges from techno to electro. The event features world-renowned DJs such as Chucky. Last year's lineup was also tremendous, featuring Slash, Little John, and much more. The dates for the Electric Festival falls on the same weekend as the Curacao North Sea Jazz Festival. Looks like Aruba wants to come up with an event big enough to make North Sea run for their money.